Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about BluPeak Credit Union. So I consider them to be the best credit union ever after this definitely interesting year. They do have definitely changed what they have to offer. This was originally 7,000 subscriber video special. This is an important update because they keep changing what they have to offer. There is a $300 offer, so it got nerfed from 400 to 300. There's also a $200 offer. This is still a nationwide offer. I want everybody who's interested in taking advantage of what BluPeak has to offer to see watch the full video, so you can see exactly what they offer and what's best for you. So before jumping in to too many details, I do have a quick disclaimer. So I am a customer of BluPeak. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not endorsed by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. All the screenshots are from their website, and all the information is current as the time of this recording. Hopefully, they're not going to change anything else, so this is going to stay relevant for a while. All right, so this is a very profitable game. I do have a $3 million challenge for the year 2023. I want to help at least 1,000 people get at least $3,000 from these videos in 2023. So if you can appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis, do me a favor, hit this video with a huge thumbs up. Definitely appreciate that. Before we jump in, huge shout out to friend of the channel, Drew. I didn't even know that they changed the terms and conditions. And Drew, my buddy, texted me and said, "Hey, John, they changed the things." Like, oh, okay. So thank you. And then a whole bunch of other people emailed me and said, "Hey, they changed the things." So what do you think about what's going on? What's going on? Well, before we begin this video, I must remind everyone about the golden rule when it comes to bank bonuses. And the golden rule, according when dealing with bank bonuses, is he who has the goal makes the rules. So, do I like all the changes? No, not really. But BluPeak is the company that's paying them out, so they're letting us know the terms and conditions, so we can jump through the hoops, do the thing, and get the stuff. So there's that. So this bonus, why do I consider them to be the best? Well, they have everything that we've been looking for. Nationwide offer, check. Checks friendly, that's a huge one. Too many of us have gotten denied because of checks. When you're applying for this, make sure your credit unions are unfrozen because they do soft pull your credit union, and they may say that you're denied because of checks on account of your credit union is unfrozen and it's frozen and they can't verify your identity. So checks friendly. If they let me in, they'll let pretty much everybody in. Big bonuses and credit card funding. They have basically unlimited credit card funding, which is phenomenal, and really nice rates on their CDs. We'll talk about that in a minute. So it also has rather quickly changing terms and conditions, and hopefully this will be like the last update video for this because they're just going to keep it the same. So believe me, the absolute last thing I want to do is misrepresent anything that isn't true and have people watch my videos who aren't getting anything but what I call profitable truth. So this is the best to my ability based upon what they have. So shout out to everyone who has emailed me about. So when they first had the thing, the first rendition of this, and they say, "Hey, does the offer stack between the referral and the original bonus?" They do. So I just want to say I'm showing my data points here. Here's another friend of the channel who sent me an email. "Hey, John, to answer my own questions below, I was able to speak with the representative of BluPeak this afternoon. According to the rep, I could get both bonuses with the promo code purpose and with the referral link, as you explained in the video. I was confused with the referral promo code from the website as they updated that not too long ago. Disregarding questions. So basically, thanks and for the video. Sorry. So yes, they do stack. So here's what we do know. This is from the old offer. The $100 was to get approved was not part of the original referral bonus. So become a member, get up to $300, open a checking account, get $100. So 1 week later, mine actually got paid out a little bit faster. So that's really nice there. You get $100 just because you joined. This is the old offer. So for the old offer to get $300, you set up direct deposit 500 or more and get 200 bonus 90 days after opening the account. So this is the best rendition of what they had to offer. So basically, if anybody signed up before using my referral link, I get $100, you get 400. So that's pretty sweet. You use the promo code purpose to take advantage of this. This offer is no longer good. But here's my own personal data point. My deposit hit on October 23, and I got the $100 for doing the thing. So I got the stuff. So $25 went to the checking account, got $100 right here. 23 opened it, 28, and got the $100. So that was not part of the original referral. The rep said, "Hey, I see that you were referred, so bam, you're good. You get the money." So the previous offer had $100 for being referred and doing the $500 in direct deposits in 90 days, and we get the $100. Bam. So there's that. So that was all part of the old referral system. So the old referral system looked like this. Basically, I put in my first name, last name, email, confirm email, last four digits, my member number, and then I put in your first name, last name, email. I hit the send, and they sent you out a link. So that was the old. And I got email say, "Hey, we don't like the new offer. Can you just type in the old referral link?" Well, I tried, and it simply says file not found. So not anymore. So the old system is gone. So if you signed up under the old offer, congrats, you got the best version of the BluPeak offer. Here is what is currently being offered. So there's two offerings. You have a $300 offer and a $200 offer. There's no more $400 offers. It's either 300 or 200. We're going to talk about both of those. Why the why the 300 is in yellow, and why the green one is 200. So here is option number one. You say, "Hey, bet 300 is better than 200. I just do that." Okay. So we're going to see, does that actually make the most amount of sense? Is the juice worth the squeeze? Is the lemon yellow, or is it, I don't know. So we'll see if the yellow 300 here lemon is worth the squeeze. So simply, you don't need a referral link. You can go straight to bluepeak.com, sign up using the promo code PURPOSE, and here's what you're going to see. Become a member, get $300. So yes, it's still 300, but they nerfed it. So instead of getting the $100 for a week later just for joining, they nerfed that down to $25. And instead of 500 for direct deposits, you got to do 5,000. And instead of 90 days to get the bonus, it takes 180 days. So basically 6 months to get the bonus. So they nerfed it in three ways. So instead of you get the free 100, now it's free 25. Instead of 500, it's 5,000. And instead of 90 days to get the bonus, then it's 180, which is 6 months. So, well, maybe that's not the best thing. If you are interested in this, make sure you put in the promo code PURPOSE. If that works for you, bet. There you go. You're good to go. So here is 100 additional. You get the 25 after 7 days. And additional 275 will be credited 180 days after opening the account. So after at least 5,000 or more in aggregate, adding up to 5,000 in your name, maintain good account standing. So BluePeak employees are not eligible. All right, so there's that. That is, yes, it's $300, is more than 200, but 6 months to get paid is a long time, and 5,000 is much better than 500. So that's option one. Here's option two, the green one. So you get a referral link from me, and you're going to use a different promo code. You can only use one promo code. This one promo code is refer a friend. So if you use this referral link, then you'll get $200. It's much easier. It's much faster. So if you get if you send me information, I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So here's what it says when what they're offering. Refer a friend will each get $200. You get $200 in 90 days. You have to have two direct deposits that have to total up to 500 or more. It's less money, sure. 200 is less than 300, but it's easier and faster. So there's that. So user easy online form to tell your friends about us. Your friend joins with a promo code and opens a checking account, a savings or money market account, or term certificate. Within 90 days of account opening, friend sets up and receives at least two direct deposits totaling 500 or more. We both snag $200, which is really cool. So, as I mentioned, at least two direct deposits totaling at least $500 within 90 days. Maintain the new account in good standing for at least 90 days. Then they'll deposit it no longer than 10 days after you get the bonuses. Or you get the direct deposits. And then here's the interesting thing. All related individuals may no longer qualify for this promotion. So I don't know if they plan on doing DNA tests, or because I don't know how they can prove somebody's related. So there's that. Okay, so if you're interested in the $200 bonus, which is faster, easier, and quicker, um, email me your first name, last name, and the email address to churningadventures@gmail.com. So send me your first name, last name, whatever email address you're going to sign up for the credit union to get the referral email for this offer. When you get the referral link, you click on the link. Here is what you're going to see. Your friend John thinks you'll love BluPeak. We think you both deserve $200. So it has the thing, cashing and simple. Open the checking account with e-statements, and then you can also open up savings, money market, or term certificate. Their savings account's awesome. It's over 5%. Term certificates are really nice. 3-month CDs for over 4.25%, or I think 4.75%. Get at least 500 direct deposit transactions within 90 days. We both get $200. You got to use the promo code refer a friend. Don't let your $200 slip away. Then you're going to click open my account. Once you click open my account, it's going to have this Mimecast thing, which I really don't understand. But you're going to enter your email address. You should get an authentication code on here. When I tried this, I had a couple of people say, hey, I got an error. Well, I sent myself a referral link, and it says an error has occurred. I called BluPeak. They do have awesome customer service. They do have A+ rating with BBB. And here is what the rep said. It should let you sign in from here or sign up from here. But if you see its error, it's cool because number one, you got the email from BluPeak saying, hey, you got referred. And you are already in their system. You can say, hey, I got the email. Look, John referred me. So there's that. Go to bluepeak.com. So if you get the error, then here's what you do. If it lets you sign up, then you're good. But if you get the error, you want to go to bluepeak.com, hit join, and then it's going to have 3 steps. They changed this up a little bit as well. It says I'm applying for membership online. So you click here for details. And how you get in is through being a member of KPBS membership, paid for by BluPeak. Previously, you had to pay $5 for this thing. Now they're giving it away for free, and basically, you get over $60 in value for all their stuff, which you can read about if you really want. But then you're going to go down and say, click more, learn more about account eligibility. Click here. Scroll up to the top, and you're going to see become a member, reach your peak potential, start your appy right there. Start your application. All right, so when you get here applying for membership online, you want to click this thing to where it says bam, you'll have a 1-year complimentary KPBS affiliate membership. So there's that. That's how you get in. Then you want to click, you want the I chose the free checking with e-statements, and then I also did the certificate and the savings account. So when you get all the way to the funding, you will see how much you want to deposit. I put $25 towards the checking, $25 to the savings, and I did $1,445 for a 3-month CD, paying 4.25 APY, which is phenomenal. And then you got to pay a one-time membership fee, which is fine, $1,500, and I got some cash back on my Chase card. So that is phenomenal there. You can continue opening up new accounts and keep hitting it for $1,500, which is phenomenal. If 90 days to get $200, or I'm sorry, if 90 days to get $200 for 500 in 2 direct deposits sounds like the better option than the 300 for 5,000 in direct deposits, then here's what you're going to send me. So send me, I'm going to plug in my first name, last name, email, my phone number, and then your first name, last name, referral email, hit submit, and that will send you the email. So send me your first name, last name, your email address you plan to sign up to get the referral email for this offer. So here is, as I mentioned, here's after you put in the money, you can take it out. I got the $100. I switched over to savings because they're paying over 5%, which is nice. Get 4.25% on one 3-month CD. I hit it again with another 3-month CD, and 5.19% interest is very, very nice. There's no thing you need for there. So this is the best credit union out there. Everyone needs to sign up for this amazing offer. A lot of y'all have already emailed me. So email me, churningadventures@gmail.com. Get started. My friend Blue definitely does approve of BluPeak, in case you're curious about that. So I still have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, criticisms, training adventures, gmail.com, hit me up and I'll get back to you rather quickly. And finally, today's question, especially when dealing with stressful situations as in changing terms and conditions, what's the best advice with dealing with others? Well, Proverbs 15:1 comes into play. A gentle answer deflects anger, but harsh words makes temper flare. So that's really good advice. 1 Peter 4:8. Above all, love one another deeply because love covers a multitude of sins. So we want to deal with love and patience. Patience is really huge. Additional information about this, how to follow Jesus, in the description box down below. And finally, if you're still here with me, like the video. If you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis, share this with anybody who would be able to benefit from it. Subscribe with bell notifications so you could be amongst the first to profit from such profitable content. And with that, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. There's a ton of profitable content in the pipeline. With that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.